look at that machine, you're touching literally 4 corners of the globe.
It's everything that engineers could hope to have in one piece of equipment.
One of the great things about Freestyle is that it's not just a piece of equipment. It is a whole new way of doing business for the Coca-Cola company.
We have approximately 1,000 complex custom parts that we procure for the Freestyle project.
It always brings a smile to someone's face when they interact with our machine, and that's really what it's about. A positive response, enjoying our products. A Freestyle experience.
Primarily we're a beverage company with some expertise in equipment development, but we were in areas that were very foreign, and so we sought out best in world development partners.
This is something new, I believe, for the Coca-Cola company, in that this is the first time that Coke has actually taken a design that they have 100% ownership of. So with that, it comes a lot of empowerment, also the ability to make change and improvements.
The relationship got started with Plexus when Coke was looking for a long-term partner to really bring this innovative technology out to the marketplace.
There's a couple great things that Plexus brings to the table with this project. One, they have very strong operating procedures and a very strong quality process that they use for manufacturing.
Plexus has been really involved in high-tech manufacturing, contract manufacturing.
Plexus also has a lot of experience implementing sophisticated consumer goods. They've done items for the military, they've done items in the medical industry, and they also have a depth of experience with electronic components, which is something that we leverage with the Freestyle dispenser.
We have about 1,000 unique custom parts that we buy, and they're anything from PCBs to resistors to plastics to sheet metal to even the touch screen that you see on the Freestyle machine.
One of the things that you can't help but be impressed by whenever you tour this facility is the amount of work and the amount of thought that Plexus has put into how they manufacture these dispensers. So as you walk up and down the line, they put a lot of thought into how you receive parts in, how those parts are distributed on the line, and then how those parts are actually assembled to complete a dispenser.
If you look at that machine, you're touching literally 4 corners of the globe. You have an ID element, or the skin of the machine as we like to call it, that actually comes from the designers of Ferrari. You have the base frame, or the foundation, out of Australia. You have microfluidics experience coming out of the northeast of the United States. You have software experience coming out of the west coast of the United States. There's roughly 30 different printed circuit boards in every one of these machines.
So we have a chassis from at the beginning of our line. We build it up from the bottom up and top down, and then we have some tests incorporated into the line from the start to the end, and then we have a final system functional test.
We have a very stable workforce, people that want to be a part of this. You know, you've read the news articles where this is the iPod for the beverage dispensing. You tell that to our employees and they get extremely excited to be part of the Coca-Cola project.
They've done a great job of documenting what are all the processes, and that gives us a nice stable base in which we can use to continue to do improvements. So as we get feedback on issues that are being experienced in the field, we can make the necessary adjustments to the documentation in order to correct issues.
As we have engineering upgrades, we're always looking for the better, more complex components to make the Freestyle machine the better future fountain dispenser machine that's out there.
Mechanically, you have everything from hard steel to very complex molded plastics, into a lot of tubing or fluidics, into microdosing technology as well. So you encompass all those elements every time you go pour a drink in this machine. We hope to get up to a ramp where anywhere where we're producing between 50 to 70,000 machines a year.
This really is the future for Coca-Cola in the fountain business. This is a game changer, it's revolutionary, it's innovation meeting manufacturing, and it's our chance to really drive our products and variety to our customer. And that's really what it's all about. It's all about the variety and that refreshment that people enjoy every day.
More than anything, we want to build a product that when the Coca-Cola company takes to the market, the customer has the experience of a machine, not only of getting the refreshment that they want, but also the experience and the interaction.